Classification of boiler. The sixth one based on natural draft. Natural draft, when the fuel burn in the furnace of the boiler with a circulation of air draft, is named natural draft. Artificial draft, when the air is forced by means of forced fan, the draft name is artificial draft. Heat sources, combustion of solid, liquid, gaseous fuel, electrical, nuclear energy, hot waste gases of other chemical reaction. Next is a fluid used. Based on fluid used, steam boiler use water as a fluid, mercury boiler use mercury as a fluid. Other boiler use a special chemical as fluid. Material construction of boiler cell: cast iron boiler, low pressure heating boiler; steel boiler, low pressure heating boiler; copper and stainless steel boiler; miniature boiler. These are the classification of boilers. The boilers tube containing. The first one is a water tube and a fire tube. Second one, method of firing: internally, externally. Third one, circulation of water: natural water, forced water. Fourth one is a pressures of steam: low and high pressure steams. Selection of boiler: the working pressure, quality of steam, steam generation rate, floor area available, accessories, accessibility for repair and inspection, comparatively initial cost, the fuel, water available, operating, maintenance cost. These are the properties of boiler: safety, accessibility, capacity, efficiency. The boiler should be safe under the operating conditions. Accessibility: the various part of boiler should be accessible and repair maintenance. Capacity: should capable of supplying steam according to the requirements. Efficiency: should be able to absorb the maximum amount of heat produced to burning of fuel furnace. It should be simple in construction. Its initial cost and maintenance cost is low. It should be capable of quick starting and loading. Fire tube boiler versus water tube boiler. Particulars: fire tube boiler, water tube. Mode of firing: internal fired, external fired. Rate of steam production: lower, higher. Construction: difficult of fire tube boiler, simple of water tube boiler. Transportation is difficult in fire tube boiler, water tube boiler very simple. Treatment of water not necessary, more necessary in water tube boiler. Operating pressure limited to 16 bar under the pressures of 100 bar. Floor area: more floor area required for the fire tube boiler and less floor area required for water tube boiler. The cell diameter: large for the same power, small same power. Explanation of boiler: less explanation for fire tube boiler, more explanation for water tube boiler. Risk outstanding is lesser in fire tube boiler, more risk in water tube boiler. These are the differentiates between the fire tube boilers and water tube boilers. These are the properties of boilers. Next one is a fire tube boiler. These are the examples of Cochrane boiler and their accessories. It's constructed by the cast iron methods. A simple construction of Cochrane boiler images: safety valve, pressure gauge, steam top valve, anti-priming pipe, cylinder cell, green color main hole, water level indicators, fusible plug, combustion chamber, fire bricks, the smoke box, chimney. These are the parts of the boiler.